for me mabuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so mesre and your first time wa subscribe and click the notification bell on the so am I metro send your best our screen so not just wait this is a pepe am I in sembiaba I was say ye train komo efa ho ya mame ekiadon kotre se ne hu nsem bi aba eti for I was say ye kasa efa ho and that screen so send your best subscribe no na samoba kaya somewhere last year embra announce ya announce expose ne ba me mamoti ase se ekiadonko efa asem na ekiadonko ma yeti ase se asem no wo de be court ne kremu na ekiadonko enya agro na wodi o de asem ne court no we be ka se ekiadonko na announce expose yi aden no de asem na court wan na ekiadonko wo de no court eti for muntie ekiadonko pesika efa lawyer the assembly echo Supreme Court now ode assembly court Supreme Court no was say wo hwe ensem anyantechi aka ewo announce expose ni mu a Supreme Court no engine as assembly so entu Ekufuado ene Bawumia emfi aban mu na tese Supreme Court engine so emma Bawumia ene eye na Ekufuado na Ekufuado ne Bawumia wo mon sit down like tese but yentu o mon fi ade so Yansaki omo as president and vice president respectively. Na wo hwe ensema nyantechi ekan ye efa eye Ekufuado ho e wa nas expose ni mu a etre se Ekufuado eye corrupt. Eno ni asema Ekiadonko de court eno ni asema wo pays ka efa lawyer. Ena ne lawyer ne nso mi nim se lawyer ne ntunifu na lawyer ne tunifu but ni sika wo nso be jintia o. Omo de ko Supreme Court na etie for ruling aba. Now ruling na abano yeah sorry for my voice I wake akra mesremo ruling na abano and say Supreme Court are two case na twene Supreme Court say masa case we dey sebe nyansa nheda anim sana Supreme Court na eka wo mo atu case na twene na Supreme Court omo wie no wo mo atu case na twene sa akeke wo omo wie no na omo sanso fine Ekiadonko 10,000 Ghana cedis which is 100 million. Yeah, the boy Ekiadonko say won't see as 100 million because we be back say aden na say be mo abo nipa kono na asem eguewia aden e na mo sanso say won't see 100 million adwen training ni ana nyansa e was aden ne ho eni the entire Supreme Court sanso fine Ekiadonko with a year 100 million na say wo mo susu say wo mo an stop it ana wo mo an fine Ekiadonko with such an amount e be ma Ghana wo bia be sorry kekesi me the president e court me the president now because a legal system you know you have to give every person an opportunity. What you say about law there you have to give every person a legal opportunity. If I can ask them no sebe e yenkosi asem anye yenkosi asem kra na e wo se woman ne pakone ho kwan se wo say wo pese wo de kokota e wo se wo pene e man ne pakone wo eden wo kokot enti omo susu se find way a wo mo de abo Ekiadonko no e be ma se be wo bi nso e wo ho na wo pese wo sorry na bibi kosi na wo hu ne se wo pese wo de president ekọ court se yenyi president infi so a nipa ko ne besua nyansa ehu ne se da bia asem wo de me de kwa ye define ebeden ebeto me so into broni besie to serve as a deterrent for others because omo so say asem wo nya asem bia na ka say Ekiadonko wo de yeden wo de ba Supreme Court ho akoya say you are wasting the time of the judges think Supreme Court judges no who waste your time. You are wasting the time of lawyers no one kasa kra who waste your time. Acha say na say me dinga nkan no I don't know whether Ekiadonko didn't get a legal advice because let me tell you I'm not a learned person but me to me actually say sa asem we won only lawyers 100 ekasa me to me actually say 99 e better say that be asem we dey o de kwa say be ube lusu asem we dey o de kwa enkosi hwe because asema nyantechi waka for president ne ho you didn't catch the president on tape say or you corrupt until the name court say asema nyantechi aka fa ne ho e wo anas ne expose hu nti president no yentu ne fi ade so na twese sebe won so asem no uni ye endi ni ye because never say Ekiadonko say bia me ni obi bia na me ni Ekiadonko ka na me ni obi ko twetwe nkomo na me chere say hey Ekiadonko ko bokro no wo say wa bokro no wo say into o try me say sa asem no say makoka no obi atia ne bakono ebetumi de Ekiadonko na kokot se monti Ekiadonko ntum because a branch bi ko kan wo baby say Ekiadonko wa bokro no. Like how logical is this? Etiefo me de asem na bada na me pese mu nia mo ti asem na ase ye. We hunti e na Ekiadonko ya bon charge we. Ana ye beka say ya bon fine, ya slapping with a fine of 10,000 Ghana cedis. Na the AC ekra say the state attorney womo call ye eco defend the president no and the state no eyo mo adwen kra say dabi e was say Ekiadonko ye fining of 50,000 just 500 million because a charges for se mo pese mo ye na twese nkrofo bohu na nkrofo emfa assembly say emba court bioma e was say sika na ekosro it was say mo charging the 50,000 but wa wonim say lawyers they can't decide for the judges and the judges na ka say dabi ya ye beje 10,000 na ye pese ye define no and na che say we mo fine no with sa 10,000 no and no any asema eda ho and no any asema eda ho me pese me read the comments on this na ye share the Ghana for so eka on this particular matter asem we pan the Ekiadonko oh David obviously the Minister of Finance Mr. Ken Ofori-Atta stated in his 2020 budget statement to Parliament that the NPP government renegotiated a contract awarded by the infamous past NDC government to supply laboratory. Oh, I said many. Obviously, Ghanaians wake up. For we have given this country for criminals to rule us, and only Asema will be in so can. Obviously, bravo to the Supreme Court for dismissing this trash from Ekiadonko. But I really wish they could have upheld the 50,000 cedis fine so as to ward off others who might be harboring equally destructive lawsuits to be heard. I don't know someone will be can say Supreme Court Omaya the panse in some way said woman to egu. Now was to say 50,000 now the state attorney no woman suggested no nekre na ke was state attorney no we no 50,000 na ke was judges no uphold the ekase nekre yema woman to 50,000 because Utumi say nkrofo bi wo ho they just want to do things like this just to distract the government or to distract the president what you say and only asema eda ho nagana minyasho se nagana for clan him say Ekiadonko the assembly say akokot minyasho se nagana for clan him obviously 50,000 fine would have been better to wipe her face and only asema will be can until here a lot of people are saying say 50,000 fine and like I was say the boy Ekiadonko obviously the country is in the hands of thieves and evil men and women okay obviously the country is in the hands of thieves and evil men and women and then some will be can obviously massa if MPP party led by the visionary Oluman Buge Nana is criminal and evil, then how would you describe your own dead good party then washa asem we involve at the year politics for her. Obviously, but let's face it, bro. The info from Nyantechi really damaged Akufo-Addo and his vice beyond repairs. It's really damning to say the least. Note that this Nyantechi man was a close guy to the president and MPP. And only asema will be so kasene say ensema akoso e wo Nyantechi audio nim no ne kre ni nkrofo nim say Nyantechi na dan for pa ene Akufo-Addo. Inti say Nyantechi ntrokra no bo twa na. A lot of people believe say San Akufo-Addo wo ye den what. Now me feel say the magnitude of ensema Nyantechi ekan ye no enu hunti e na che say Akufo-Addo what this speed because you say we share video na e na we order say yanchi Nyantechi ntum. Nti eno ni asema e da ho. Obi so say Ekiadonko for president or say oh no, why would any court slap Ghana's best politician with a fine just to give broke Akufo-Addo and broke Bawumia more money to finance their trip to the spiritual realm? These justices are out of their minds. Since Enoni Asema will be can say Ekiadonko for president. Obi will say she should be caged in addition to the fine. And why did they reduce the fine from 50,000 to 10,000? When next time book long people are talking, I'll say when next time book long people are talking, she should also talk. Enoni Asema will be can. Now, Asem way there, media say my gentleman, my trewo so one thing the American say I don't think Ekiadonko consulted and now say ebia we are not just a won tie asema and the lawyer na ebeden wo beka Ekiadonko ye na dwen say na ko betie ne lawyer na and na kan the lawyer na ye na dwen say wo man advisor and ko no claiming Ebi a lawyer na enye say o sika keke na meji na makọ represent wo court sika keke na meji a nka lawyer ne kra nim say asem we dey engosi aga like say wo bi aka obi ho asem nti no wo just say wo beti asem we ko ti wen eno example na me dem a wo no say eki adonko no makoka ne ho asem say oye kronfo na wonye kronfo onye kronfo na makoka to obi so oye kronfo na wo bi akote asem no na ne bako ne te asem no enye me na ne bako ne de me kokoto enye me amekoka eki adonko ho asem so oye kronfo ne de me kokoto ni bako ne de eki adonko mo nkokot se me makoka se eki adonko ye kronfo a ne bako ne ni evidence dia se eki adonko ye kronfo because me maka nti wo de eki adonko eye na ekojina court asem we ukote ni mpeni nsem ewe mun try ma dwen e comment box me team for me da say